Well, just finally seeing a second biplane actually, but obviously this is not the ones from Nynja Airport anyway we saw this time, but this isn't the one from Nynja Airport anyway. If I go to ADXB, as you can see it's not an ADXB though. So as you can see, that was the ultralight plane we've seen this time anyway, but that's the second one I've just seen, which that's the ultralight plane just seen apparently. So yeah, that was the ultralight plane just seen that time anyway, but not a normal private one, it was the ultralight one just seen this time. So as you can see, that was a Skyranger Nynja 912, that was. And the registration is G-CMDV, that is. Obviously this is the one that's now, obviously this is the one that's based at Perranporth Airfield anyway. But obviously this isn't the one from Nynja Airport this time, no, this is the one from Perranporth this time, no. But as you can see now, we just get to see the second private plane, which that was the Skyranger Nynja 912, I think it was anyway. Just you can see that just took off from Perranporth Airfield apparently. As you can tell, that just came out from Perranporth Airfield anyway. So yeah, that just came out from Perranporth Airfield anyway, which that's just occasionally just took off from anyway. It literally just took off from Perranporth Airfield anyway. So yeah, if we go to ADXB, it's probably not on there. Oh, there we go. ADXB's got that now. There he is. So as you can see, that was the best of Nynja, that was. And the registration was G-CMDV, that was. But which, as you can see, the height was about, it flew probably here to about between 1800 feet to 1900 feet, I think anyway. So yeah, as you can see, according to ADXB now, it's now at 1350 feet now anyway. So yeah, he kind of did drop quite a bit though, but so yeah, he did kind of drop anyway. So yeah, there we go. Obviously plane fire is saying that it's flown at 800 feet, whereas ADXB, I think it dropped down to about 1350 feet anyway. So yeah. Okay, so yep, that'll be heading back to its base at Perranporth Airfield very soon hopefully. So yeah, as you can see, that just flown over north anyway, and then it just came here, and now as you can see, it flew near me though, as you can tell, just somewhere it flew anyway, somewhere near Honeywick National Trust I believe anyway. So as you can see, it just flew over the other side of me anyway, which it flew over the other side of Penryn anyway. So yeah, it flew near me apparently. So yeah, which was kind of almost near over my house anyway. Okay, so yep, thanks for watching, bye bye.